Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make copper bars in LEGO Fortnite using an easy method. We'll cover everything from gathering the necessary raw materials to the final smelting process. You'll learn where to find copper and bright core, how to construct the essential metal smelter, and the exact steps to transform these resources into valuable copper bars. This guide will help you unlock new crafting possibilities and strengthen your base efficiently. To begin your copper bar journey, you'll need to venture into the dry valley biome. Specifically, look for caves within this volcanic region, as that's where both copper ore and bright core are found. Remember to bring a rare pickaxe or better, as lower-tier tools won't be able to mine these tough resources. Aim to collect at least 100 copper and 50 bright core to get a good head start on your crafting. Once you have your materials, the next crucial step is to build a metal smelter. This essential crafting station requires 15 units of bright core and 25 units of obsidian. Place your smelter in a convenient spot at your base, ensuring it's easily accessible for all your future smelting needs. This structure is the heart of transforming your raw ores into refined metal bars. With your metal smelter ready, it's time to create those valuable copper bars. Simply interact with the smelter and combine 1 unit of copper ore with 2 units of bright core. Each successful smelting cycle will yield 1 shiny copper bar, ready for use in advanced crafting recipes. Repeat this straightforward process as many times as needed to build up your copper bar reserves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.